As we gaze upon these mesmerizing Labradorite crystals, their iridescent hues seem to dance and shift before our eyes, mirroring the ever-changing nature of our own lives. Labradorite, often called the stone of transformation, holds a powerful energy that resonates deeply within our souls, urging us to embrace change and step into our true potential. This captivating stone, with its ethereal glow, is particularly known for its ability to stimulate the third eye chakra, the seat of our intuition and inner wisdom. Imagine a world where you trust your intuition implicitly, where you can see through illusions and make decisions that are in perfect alignment with your soul's purpose. Labradorite gently guides us to connect with this inner compass, helping us navigate life's twists and turns with grace and clarity. Throughout history, Labradorite has been prized by mystics and healers for its ability to enhance spiritual awareness and facilitate profound personal transformation. Its energy is both grounding and uplifting, calming the storms within and illuminating the path ahead. Let's delve deeper into the captivating world of Labradorite and explore the myriad ways it can empower us to live more authentic and fulfilling lives. Have you ever had a gut feeling, a whisper in your heart guiding you towards a particular choice? That, my friends, is your intuition speaking, that inner voice that always knows what's best for you. Labradorite acts as an amplifier for this innate wisdom, enhancing our ability to tap into our inner guidance system. Imagine Labradorite as a bridge between your conscious mind and your intuition. As you work with this magical stone, you may notice that your dreams become more vivid, your gut feelings stronger, and your ability to discern truth from illusion becomes heightened. This heightened intuition allows you to make decisions from a place of deep inner knowing, rather than being swayed by external influences or limiting beliefs. Whether you're at a crossroads in your career, love life, or personal journey, Labradorite empowers you to trust your inner compass and make choices that are in perfect harmony with your soul's true desires. Embrace the whispers of your intuition, for they hold the keys to unlocking your highest potential. Life is a tapestry of experiences, some filled with joy and light, others shrouded in uncertainty and doubt. It's during these times of transition and change that Labradorite reveals its true power as a beacon of clarity and insight. Imagine you're facing a challenging situation, your mind racing with worries and what-ifs. Holding a piece of Labradorite, you close your eyes, breathe deeply, and allow its calming energy to wash over you. As your mind quietens, you begin to see the situation with fresh eyes, noticing patterns and possibilities that were previously hidden. Labradorite helps us to cut through the mental clutter and emotional fog, allowing us to perceive our circumstances with greater objectivity and insight. It's like switching on a light in a dark room, illuminating the path forward with newfound clarity and understanding. We all carry within us a garden of dreams, but sometimes those dreams become overshadowed by the creeping vines of fear and insecurity. Labradorite, with its protective and empowering energy, acts as a gentle but powerful ally in releasing these limiting beliefs and embracing our true potential. Picture yourself holding a Labradorite crystal, its iridescent surface shimmering with a rainbow of colors. As you gaze into its depths, you sense a wave of calmness washing over you, dissolving anxieties and fears. Labradorite reminds us that we are not defined by our past experiences or limiting beliefs. It empowers us to step out of the shadows of self-doubt and step into the light of our own magnificence. By releasing these fears and insecurities, we create space for joy, abundance, and authentic self-expression to blossom in our lives. In our fast-paced modern world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the constant influx of information and demands on our time. Our minds, like a whirlwind of thoughts, can leave us feeling drained and disconnected from our inner peace. Labradorite, with its grounding and calming energy, offers a much-needed respite from the mental chatter, allowing us to reconnect with our center and tap into our innate creativity. Imagine holding a Labradorite palm stone, feeling its smooth surface against your skin. As you breathe deeply, you visualize its calming energy flowing through you, quieting the mental noise and bringing a sense of stillness to your being. Labradorite helps us to filter out distractions, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. With a calmer mind, we're better able to access our intuition, spark our imagination, and find creative solutions to life's challenges. Labradorite reminds us that within the stillness lies a wellspring of inspiration and wisdom waiting to be discovered. We are all spiritual beings on a human journey, interconnected with something far greater than ourselves. Labradorite, with its high vibrational energy, acts as a conduit between the physical and spiritual realms, deepening our connection to the divine and facilitating profound spiritual growth. Imagine gazing up at a star-filled night sky, feeling a sense of awe and wonder at the vastness of the universe. Holding a piece of Labradorite, you feel a surge of energy connecting you to this cosmic dance, reminding you that you are an integral part of something much larger than yourself. Labradorite enhances our meditation practice, making it easier to quiet the mind and access higher states of consciousness. It can also facilitate astral travel and communication with spirit guides, deepening our understanding of our soul's purpose and our connection to the universe. As we've journeyed through the mystical world of Labradorite, I hope you've felt a spark of its transformative energy ignite within you. This captivating stone, with its iridescent hues and gentle yet powerful vibrations, invites us to embrace change, trust our intuition, and step into the fullness of who we are truly meant to be. If you're feeling called to explore the magic of Labradorite for yourself, I encourage you to seek out a piece that resonates with your soul. Whether it's a shimmering pendant, a smooth palm stone, or a dazzling cluster of crystals, let Labradorite be your guide as you navigate the exciting journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Labradorite's transformative powers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content on the enchanting world of crystals. Until next time, may the magic of Labradorite illuminate your path and guide you towards your highest potential.